Cornell Cooperative Extension Allegany County presents Indoor Herb Gardening, the mini-series. Episode 6. How to fertilize indoor herbs. Organic or chemical, the choice is yours, but choose a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer with equal ratios of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Herbs generally they need less fertilizer than other plants. Fertilize every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season and reduce or even stop fertilizing during the winter. Dilute the fertilizer. Always dilute the fertilizer to avoid half the recommended strength. Or use a liquid fertilizer. It's easier to apply and prevents over-fertilizing. And observe the plant. If you notice slow growth or pale leaves, they may need a little extra feeding. But always read labels and follow instructions because over-fertilized plants also show yellow leaves and growing issues. So it's normal when it's like this green and beautiful for basil, for example, but not like this. Watering after fertilizing. This is really important. Always water your herbs after applying fertilizer to help distribute nutrients evenly and avoid root burn. Soil health. Consider adding organic compost or worm casting to improve soil health. Test your soil every 1 to 2 years, especially when plants grow slower or show nutritional symptoms, or easier, just use new potting mix. Keep learning about herbs. Watch our next episode, Controlling Pests on Indoor Herbs.